Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to talk about where you would put washer fluid in your 2011 Honda Fit. So this washer fluid is on the right hand side of the vehicle, or the passenger side, right here under the headlight assembly, and goes all the way down here, but this is the cap that you would fill it in. Generally a blue cap. This happens to be a blue cap. You would just pop it back, pour your washer fluid in there until you get it up to here, wherever you would like to see it. You can put any type of washer fluid you like in your vehicle for washing your windows. And generally it takes about 3 quarts or a little bit more, so almost a full gallon if it was completely empty. Then just go ahead and put the cap back on and enjoy driving and being able to have clean windshields with your washer fluid. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.